एस दुर्गा फिल्माच्या टिमीन बिरेस्तारा मिडिया कडेन भासाभास केली. इफीत हे फिल्म केन्ना दाखयतले काय म्हण उत्सुकता फिल्माच्या टिमीक लागल्या. फिल्मात कोणाच्योच भावना दुखोवपा सारकें कांयच ना म्हण ह्या वेळार फिल्माची नायिका उलयल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Of course, we all are waiting, as you can see. Let's see. We'll definitely take some steps. We won't be able to tell you what exactly those steps will be, but they will be a stronger ones, because the kind of a support we all are looking for, we are waiting for that, and we deserve to be here, right? Iffi 25 तक के डेट्स ऑलरेडी है. अभी सेकेंड शेड्यूल आने वाला है. सो वी ऑल आर थिंकिंग दैट द फिल्म विल बी स्क्रीन इन दैट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द कंट्रोवर्सी. वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट और वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द फिल्म टू बी स्क्रीन्ड हियर. इट्स सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग. It's so frustrating, and as you can see, I'm Durga. I'm playing Durga in the film. And I'm telling you, this is my story. This is every woman's story, which you can see on the road. It's every human being story. For God's sake, there is nothing in the film which will hurt anyone's religious sentiments. I'm really requesting, please watch the film. Watch the film and then decide.
So please ask them what is happening around. So what is happening to our movie, what is happening to the schedule, and all. Please ask them. Kindly ask to them what is happening. That's what I want. I met Mr. Tandon today morning.
See,
he said like he is not the person to comment anything. Then who is the person to comment anything? He is the festival director. He is not a single person. He is the festival director and he is the authority. He must say something about the movie, something about the schedule, and he knows everything. But he is reluctantly not ready to.
Unfortunately, we don't know who knows anything.
Is he running away from responsibility?
Yeah, he is running away. They're not ready to agree with the court. That's the main issue. How can they disagree with the court? Court is the main authority in a country like India, and they're disagreeing with the court. That's the main issue we have to address.
We all need to answer, like we all need to know when is the screening. It's so frustrating.
Yeah.
So, please.
We all are came here. I came here as a simple delegate to watch the movie, to discuss the movie, to meet some people and all. But for the last 2 days, I am not in a mood to discuss the films and all. I am not in a mood to see the movie. I was running like hell.
I really think the most urgent conversation we are having here is extremely urgent. It's an important introspection moment for all of us. When we are talking about cinema, when we are talking about a festival that is aspiring to be a festival that celebrates the future of cinema, let us really have a moment of introspection here. We need to be extremely responsible towards filmmakers who are indeed taking us towards that future, and that future may not always be comfortable. That future may be causing us great discomfort, may cause us anxiety even, but that's the whole point of art, that's the whole point of cinema, to challenge our notions, to challenge our privileges, to make us question, to make us course correct when we are going wrong. And hence it's extremely important for a film of this caliber, and I've seen the film. I think it's a rigorously made film. It's one of the best films coming out of this country this year, and I think in turn the platform has to honor the social contract that it has towards its artists and its filmmakers.